Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog around the house. Well, it's that time again. We're heading into June. Even though it's been cold around here, we're now 65. We're on Memorial Day weekend. And time to get the ACs running. Well, one of the air conditioners is over 25 years old, and it's never had its intake cleaned. So those coils have been packed with lint buildup and hair and all kinds of stuff. So I decided to see if I could find something to clean those coils out. Well, I found this, and I decided to go ahead and spray it in there. You can use this for just about anything. Use it on engines, radiators, anything that needs to be cleaned. And the nice thing about it is it's foaming in itself. I want to call self. I don't call it. You don't have to spray anything on it. It just automatically dissolves itself and then drains out. Or you can go ahead and use water to help it clean the area if you want. But yeah, I'm looking to use this on the engines and stuff I got in the garage that need to be cleaned. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. As you can see, this sucker is pretty soaked up with lint. Like I said, air, dust, and everything. It's even been shoved in. I didn't even notice that. I don't think that's. No, it's not that. Let's see if I can find me a rake, and I'm gonna get that cleaned up. But as you can see, I put this on it. You didn't get a chance to see it to start with, but I mean it was nice and packed up. And you see, you can do it multiple times here. I need a rake. I can see we got stuff that's pushed on this and I can't get in. As you can see, go up and down. You better see how this works on this old AC. Stop recording. Alright, I'm back. This is what I got. Looking pretty good. There are areas, of course, I need to get a rake on it. But that was spraying it with a foam, and then I got a fertilizer spray can. I'm able to put water in it, pump it up, and I can get a nice little wide spray here. And I can guide that crap down to the bottom. And it's going to roll out the back, roll out the drain side. It's actually got a nice little citrus smell to that cleaner. I'm gonna hit it again. There's freaking 30 years of whatever inside there. Couldn't see that. This was all built up with good old dust, and because if it can't suck, this is the suction, and then it whips through the back and then blows out the front. So if it can't suck anything in there, that's why you should have a filter on the front part of it. And as you can see, the filter sucks up quite a bit, but I've never done this before to it, and again, it's never been done. So I'm gonna hit it again with the spray foam, and we'll make sure you got a ventilated area. Wear glasses. Alright. It's got a nice little spray stream. So be careful, you don't want to ricochet back on you. So we got the first layer off. So hopefully this is going to go deeper now. Let that nice and foamed up, get them in the pans, get them in the blades. So, all right, we'll see what the next phase comes up with. Here we go, all nice and clean. She's on her like the wife says she's had this thing for like 35 years now, and it is Fetter's unit, and it is. It's a little rough. It's time to buy a new one, but it is running and it's cold. Can't complain. So decided to go ahead and clean it up one more time. What we really want to get is one of those the portable ones. You just stick the little component or the ducting out the window, and then the other unit just sits in here. And they do make them with it reversible, so you can turn it into a heater or a dehydrator or a dehumidifier. So that's that'll be what will be replacing this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Around the House.